Well, I need a weapon.
One hour later. One hour later.
Okay, fine.
I want that one.
Ready? Yeah! So for all of you who have been asking, here it is, the Sword of Sanctuary. You know, since I completed the Ninjago Golden Weapons, I think this sword has been my most requested weapon that I make next, and I'm glad that this one is finally done. And honestly, I was really excited to do this weapon in particular because glow epoxy is something I've been having a lot of fun with lately, and this is another chance for me to practice using it. If you want to make your own, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description to the Fusion 360 model that I made for this sword. If you want the 3D print files, I'm going to post those over on my website. If you like projects like these or anything else that I make here on this channel, you can support me on Patreon. And the easiest and admittedly the cheapest way to support me is to subscribe if you already haven't, like this video, and share it with all your friends. I know my kids are gonna have a fun time playing with this weapon like they have with all the other Ninjago weapons that I have made in the past. And so I'm gonna go give this to my son, and until next time, go build a good story.